All right, time now for another look at the forecast. Meteorologist Robert Suhr joining us. Yeah, you got something to say.
Well,
he's got that
I just
voice
find this ironic because, Biden's in China, and this is the 50th anniversary of when Richard Nixon went to China, 1972.
How do you find this stuff? Were you over there doing the homework?
I just know history.
It just pops to the, okay, well,
yes.
Let us know about the forecast now. So we saw some pictures at the top of the show where there's snow everywhere.
Yeah,
we're not talking about that kind of stuff.
Okay,
just want to scare the daylights out of everybody.
We can step back a little bit, folks. Right. It's not going to be that bad tomorrow.
Okay.
There will be flakes in the air tomorrow evening. So, put another log on the fire tomorrow night and watch the snow fall from outside your window from the safety of or the comfort of your house, I should say. 49 today in Fayetteville. We should be in the 60s this time of the year. Look at that record low set back in 1986. Fun fact, I was 2 years old on this day in 1986, where it was just 10 degrees. Things nice and quiet in Fort Smith as well. We're just 49 today. 86, though, on this day in 1955. That's a warm one. Now, this week, we're going to start off on the crummy side, a very messy Monday with a rain and that snow that'll move through. It'll be cold all week and next week and probably the week after, so get used to that winter jacket. You're going to need it. And then maybe some more snow chances as we go later in the week. I'll show you that in the 7-day here coming up. Right now, things are nice and quiet across the entire area, upper 20s and lower to mid 30s across the area. Here's our system for tomorrow, just sliding through the Albuquerque, New Mexico area. It'll slide to our south. As it does so, the precipitation north of it on the colder side could start out as rain and change to wet snow, which I'll show you here in a second. Right now, temperatures across the area range from a cool spot at Drake Field at 30 to 36 in Springdale. That's the warm spot across northwest Arkansas. River Valley, just about everybody there in the upper 30s. Talahena, one of the warmer locations there, checking in at 39. Now, as we go hour by hour, it'll be nice and quiet tonight, and it'll also be nice and quiet tomorrow morning. No issues heading to work, walking the dog, on that morning run, taking the kids to school. No problems at all. You'll probably need your sunglasses at times, but by the afternoon, late afternoon, early evening, that rain comes in. It's going to be fighting dry air, so if you're a snow lover, you're going to want the rain to come down heavier right off the bat. That'll cool the air, and we'll get a faster change over to snow. However, if we get drizzle, light rain, mist, sprinkles, it'll take longer for that rain to transition over to snow. But our model data here, this is new data here, showing nice 7 or 8 o'clock. There could be some areas where that wet snow is mixing in. Might take a little bit longer in the River Valley, but notice temperatures are still above freezing, so it really isn't going to stick to much. Even though it's nighttime, the sun is down, it's a fast mover, it should be out of here by the time you wake up Tuesday morning. Then we're just left with plenty of clouds and a cool day on Tuesday. We're thinking after 5 o'clock is when that rain will change over to snow. Slightly before that, the further west you go, a trace to maybe an inch or two across the area, maybe. You get into the higher elevations, that's the best chance to see some accumulation. Madison, Newton, Boone counties, and then southern Scott County into the Ouachitas. It's a low impact event. Cold weather will be impactful, at least 6 to 10 days out. High confidence in below average temperatures. Same thing 8 to 14 days out. We're taking it through the Thanksgiving holiday. So as I said, you'll need that winter jacket. Temperatures tonight, 20s and 30s. Will rebound tomorrow only into the 40s, another pretty chilly day. Extended forecast besides Monday, really not too bad the rest of the week. A system, a frontal cross Wednesday could ring out a flurry or two out of the atmosphere. East, way east of the area, Carroll County, eastern Madison County. Turkey Drive looks good, 30s and 40s. And then in the River Valley, about the same thing. A messy day tomorrow, a cloudy day Tuesday. Sunshine, though, pretty much for the rest of the week. But, Paul, you see those temperatures remaining well below average.
Yep.